So, hello everyone. Today I'll be exploring Alpha Rooms. Alpha Rooms is the next generation of meeting application. It is inspired from Google Meet and it serves the purpose of providing a playground for both humans and AIs to interact at the same time using the same playground or the same base. So, first I'll give you the story behind it. So, basically, me and some of my friends were developing a particular application and we came across a difficult problem. There were several documents we were developing. Each of us were handling separate parts, but each time I update a particular document, it become a difficulty for us to explain it to another person that which document that I have updated, which portion I have updated. So to solve this, we were organizing different meetings, but during the meeting portion, during the meeting time, it again became a struggle. At the same time, many people are working, and it becomes a clutter. Also, as because we are using different AI model and it is a difficulty for us to explain us to other person that which model we have utilized, which model is facing which problem, or maybe a particular subject or topic is not that easy to explain in one certain model. It become a difficulty for us to communicate that between us to create a sense of clarity. For this purpose, I created this unified platform. The purpose of this platform is explained right in the homepage of our website. So it provides a multi-chat AI playground, basically a chat interface, just like a WhatsApp groups, just like a group chat. Inside the group chat, we can communicate not only with our friend, but at the same time, chatbots can communicate. Basically, we will be tagging any one particular chatbot and that chatbot will respond. Now, these chatbots are customizable, or we can customize the chatbot using specific keyword, specifying certain criterias and making the chatbot make more sense. So I'll soon enough explain and explore all those part. Let's talk about the other features which are included here. Apart from that, we will be having magnetic node generation. What is this magnetic node generation? Basically, we have seen that ChatGPT or any other AI which creates the nodes, basically the node which we want to download or maybe some data. So they always take all the chats or all the information and write them one at a time as a markdown file or as a note consistently, like constantly creating one note inside one file. Now, this is a big problem because if we are using different AI and if all of us are working on different topic, we all want a particular note from one topic. Maybe there's a topic A, and we want note from topic A, but we are not actually working on topic A. Maybe we just want some specific notes. Maybe my friend is working on topic A. I want some specific notes of topic A and want to use them in topic B. Now, as there's a common playground, as the playground is a common field for all of us to work with, what we will do is we will select each chat that this is the chat I want to have in my note. This is the chat I don't want to have. So automatically all the information about the chat, what question brought that particular chat, or what which AI is responding to that chat, all the information will be saved at the same time in the PDF file or in a Word file or in a PPT, whichever document we want to generate. So this is the magnetic node generation feature. Let's talk about the custom agents. Custom agents are nothing but we will be providing the API key of a particular AI, and we will be providing as a user, we will be providing the API key and the provider name. Okay, so after mentioning that, we can customize the agent according with the keyword and negative keywords, and according to those specification, the bot will work in that particular way. Now, finally, let's talk about futuristic voice channels. As we already know that there are many AI like Fish Audio, like 11 Labs, and many other AI are constantly coming up who are trying to mimic human voice as much as possible and make it much more emotional. So this is a conceptual feature which is very difficult to implement. But the main target is that when several people are having a meeting, how about keeping a professional uh, inside the meeting who can speak with us, who can talk with us, and who can explain us stuff. So like just like a human being, there will be a robot who can communicate with us. Now, this particular feature have some potential of being used as a as a professor, as a teacher, as a master in several regions. For example, from futuristic point of view, if schools organizes any class, any master class for a particular subject, in that scenario, if the AI bot is present there, the AI bot can correct the teacher, correct the student, or correct any mistake going on in the class. In several times, we have seen this kind of scenarios happening, that there are wrong information being provided to people. AI can catch onto those information and correct them. And finally, let's explore the meeting space. So this will be the front end portion. Here I will ask the people to sign in or get inside the meeting. So create a room, start the meeting just like we do in Google Meet. Inside this, we can create a chat bot. We can add a particular person or create a bot, just like this. Uh, so basically, in bot, we need to mention the bot name. Then we can go ahead and type the API key. We can select the provider. For example, maybe it's OpenAI or maybe it's Anthropic. And there will be certain keywords ABCD. So let's go. These are some of the keyword, and then we have to click add bot to make that bot available here. Now this is the idea about how the room will look like. And in the chat section, we will be chatting with our friends, or we will be having communication with the friend and with the AIs. And finally, in the magnetic node generation, which is still under development, it will be a little bit difficult for us to analyze the chat section and make sure all the chat gets saved there. And finally, in the setting portion, it is just a normal generic setting portion, and there is nothing much. Apart from this, not only we can create temporary bot. If we want to save a bot in the configuration section, we can actually have some specifications, some specific bot. Each of these bots will have a different sets of keyword, different sets of API key and provider, and that's it. I think that's all about our application. Hope you liked it. And if you want to communicate with me or contact me, you can easily contact me using my email address provided. I'll provide my email address at the end of this. You can see here at the end of this video, there will be available. You can communicate with me. We can develop this application as much as possible. Thank you.